Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I got this canvas frame at the Dollar Tree, and I got the black paint at the Dollar Tree, and I am going to paint it.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
I saw this picture on Pinterest and I was like, I fell in love with it, and it was probably, I think, like $47, and I'm just like, I'm gonna make this. It may not look identical, but it's gonna look really similar. And so I did make it. I love the way it turned out, as you will see. And I'm going to make another one, but I'd like to make a big one if I could, to hang in my living room. So it really is so pretty. So I can't wait for you to see the finished product. I hope you love it as much as I do. It's pretty easy. It's just time consuming, and it's very, very beautiful.
Somewhere by the Emerald Sea.
I'm going to have to dry it with my heat tool, and then it's probably going to need another coat because I want it to be very, very black. So I'm drying it, and you got to be careful because if you get the heat tool too close to it, it has to bubble up. So be really careful. And I try to get my strokes going in the same direction too, which makes it look nicer.
They say dreamers never die, so come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me. Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
And I'm going to do a second coat because you want it to be really, really black, because it'll make the glimmer just pop so much better.
Come and fly away with me.
And if you would like, please subscribe. I would love to have you part of our family. You can like and make any comments down below. Also, if you would share with your family and friends, I would love that too.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves.
Okay, now I have cardboard hearts that I got in a package. I'm not sure where I got them from. It might have been Walmart's. So I'm putting a heart over top of the black canvas, and I'm taking some school glue and just painting that on all around the heart. I didn't tape it down or anything. It just sort of stays there, really. I mean, you can tape it. I would tape it on the back side because you'll need to make a heart out of all of this.
Somewhere by the Emerald Sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change.
Okay, now I got this glitter from Dollar Tree. I got it at Christmas time. I was there yesterday and I didn't see this particular colors, but I did see the other ones that you see sitting on the table. So I'm going to sprinkle that all the way around the heart. It's quite messy, to say the least, but it's going to turn out really pretty. So keep watching. I had to come back in with some glue because I wanted it to be really thick so that you didn't see the black underneath. I did make a mess with the glitter. The glitter was everywhere. It was on me, on my floor, on my table. But that's okay. It was fun. And isn't that what crafting's all about? Is having fun. And there goes my daughter. Okay, next I'm using the really fine glitter. Okay, I've changed out the heart, as you can see. I put a smaller heart, and then I put the finer glitter around the other part.
All right, now that's exporting.
Didn't it turn out pretty? I love it. It's beautiful. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch my next one. And you can like me and share it with your family and friends. And just remember to be kind and have a great night.